Something big just happened. The most powerful AI leaders in the world gathered in one room. CEOs, government officials, tech pioneers, policy makers, and what they discussed could shape the next 10 years of your life. This wasn't just another tech conference. This was about control, safety, power, and the future of humanity. So what actually happened at the Global AI Summit? And more importantly, what does it mean for you? Let's break it down. First, understand this. Whenever global leaders meet behind closed doors to talk about AI, it means one thing. AI is no longer the future. It's the present. We're talking about technology that can replace entire job categories, generate hyper-realistic videos and voices, write code better than junior developers, diagnose diseases faster than doctors, and potentially disrupt global elections. That's not science fiction anymore. And that's why this summit was urgent. Because AI is accelerating faster than regulations can keep up. So what were the key topics? 1. AI regulation versus innovation. This was the biggest debate. Some leaders argued, we must slow down AI development until we understand the risks. Others said, if we slow down, another country will dominate. It's basically a global AI race. And here's the tension. Too much regulation could slow innovation. Too little regulation could lead to chaos. Striking that balance, that's the billion-dollar question. 2. AI safety and existential risk. Yes, they talked about it. The possibility that advanced AI could eventually operate beyond human control. Now before you imagine killer robots, relax. The real concern is more subtle. What happens when AI systems make autonomous decisions, control infrastructure, influence financial markets, or manage defense systems? The summit focused heavily on creating international safety standards. Because once AI becomes too powerful, you can't just turn it off. 3. Jobs and economic impact. This part affects you directly. AI is already reshaping customer service, content creation, programming, marketing, legal research, even healthcare. The leaders acknowledged something important. Millions of jobs will change. Not necessarily disappear, but change. The conversation shifted from, how do we stop AI? How do we prepare people for AI? Res-killing, education reform, universal AI literacy. The future worker won't compete against AI. Global power shift. Here's the geopolitical angle. AI dominance could determine the next superpower. Just like oil shaped the 20th century, AI could shape the 21st. Countries investing heavily in AI infrastructure, semiconductor production, and AI research could gain massive economic and military advantages. That's why this summit wasn't just about technology. It was about power. Section 3. What this means for the future. Now let's bring this back to you. Because this isn't just about CEOs and governments. This is about how your life changes in the next 5 to 10 years. Here's what's likely coming. Embedded in your phone, car, workplace, and healthcare. Small Blue Diamond personalized AI assistants will manage tasks, schedules, and even financial decisions. Small Blue Diamond education will transform. AI tutors customized to each student. Small Blue Diamond, the job market will reward creativity, strategy, and emotional intelligence more than repetitive tasks. And here's the biggest shift. AI will amplify humans. The people who learn how to use it will move ahead fast. The people who ignore it will struggle to keep up. That's not fear-mongering. That's pattern recognition. Every major technological shift, from electricity to the internet, created winners and losers. AI will be bigger than all of them. Here's the truth. The summit showed something powerful. World leaders are not trying to stop AI. They're trying to control its direction. And that tells us one thing. AI growth is inevitable. The real question isn't, will AI change the world? How prepared are we for the change? If you're watching this, you're already ahead. Because awareness is step 1. Learning is step 2. Adapting is step 3. Now I want to hear from you. Are you excited about AI's future? Or are you concerned about where this is heading? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more breakdowns on AI trends, hit subscribe.